What is an iDeviator? iDeviator is the world's first web platform for remote and automatic adjustment of the deviation of the magnetic compass on ships of different types and classes. Who created iDeviator and why? A team of ship captains, developers, and experienced deviation adjusters joined together to create the iDeviator. The development was based on the experience of deviation adjusters who have been guiding ship captains through the deviation procedure for many years by email communication with them. We have systematized the vast accumulated experience, various configuration options, and cases with magnetic compasses into a unique knowledge base. After that, an important decision was made to make the knowledge base interactive and to make all mathematical calculations and models automatic. To speed up, automate, and simplify the process of adjusting deviation and issuing certificates. How was iDeviator developed? The iDeviator development team, together with experienced deviators and ship captains, began work on creating a web platform for magnetic compass deviation. Our designers and front-end developers have created a convenient and intuitive interface, in the form of a chat, in which the captain, answering questions, gives iDeviator introductory instructions for calculating and forming instructions. In turn, back-end developers have translated all calculations and mathematical formulas into code, making all calculations automatic, thereby removing the human factor and errors. How does iDeviator work? The captain, who needs to adjust the deviation of the compass, creates a new request in his office, access to which is granted in advance. After that, it is enough for the captain to answer the questions that the iDeviator asks and follow the recommendations received in the chat to pass the deviation. If the ship's captain has questions that go beyond the capabilities of the iDeviator, he can always connect with our specialist, who will consider the captain's question and conduct deviation in manual mode on the iDeviator platform, if necessary. All deviation is divided into stages and steps, which allows the ship's captain to clearly understand what information needs to be provided, or what actions he needs to perform. The chat interface is convenient and clear, and hints and explanations are given for all data to minimize the input of incorrect data from the captain. In the first version, iDeviator will support the most common compass manufacturers and their model ranges. After passing all the stages, the iDeviator issues a certificate of passage of the vessel deviation of the magnetic compass. What are the advantages of using iDeviator? Before the creation of the iDeviator, to undergo deviation, it was necessary to put an adjuster on a ship and go through all the stages and maneuvers with him, which was an expensive procedure. It was a long process. In parallel, email deviation developed, which, although less costly, also took a lot of time. iDeviator eliminates the process of deviation of all these problems for ship owners. Now an unlimited number of vessels within the company can undergo compass deviation, and the speed of issuing a certificate will depend only on how quickly the captain will enter data into the chat. All non-standard or problematic cases can be solved by online support, which eliminates the option of non-deviation. The iDeviator platform is a modern, fast, and reliable way to eliminate deviations from the ship's magnetic compass.